Hey food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the future of food. Ever wondered what the burger of tomorrow might look like? Well, you're in for a treat today. Let me introduce you to the lab-grown burger, a marvel of modern food science. Picture this, a burger that's not only delicious but also sustainable and eco-friendly. Today, I'm diving deep into the fascinating world of lab-grown meat, a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we think about food. Stick around because what you're about to learn could change the way we eat forever. So, what exactly is a lab-grown burger? How is it made and why should we care? It's meat produced by cultivating animal cells in a lab instead of raising and slaughtering animals. This innovative process starts with a small sample of animal cells. Imagine taking a tiny sample of cow muscle, placing it in a nutrient-rich environment, and letting it grow. Pretty cool, right? This is where the magic happens. The process involves extracting cells from a live animal, which are then nurtured in a bioreactor, a device that provides the perfect conditions for cell growth. Over time, these cells multiply and form muscle tissue, which is the key ingredient of your burger patty. It's like growing a muscle in a petri dish. Science is literally revolutionizing our plates. This breakthrough could lead to a more sustainable and ethical way of producing meat. Now let's get to the fun part, tasting it. How does this lab-grown burger stack up against the traditional one? Here we've got a traditional burger and a lab-grown one side by side. Can you tell the difference just by looking at them? A chef is about to take a bite, and let's see the verdict. Wow, the reactions are priceless. People are genuinely surprised by how good it tastes. It tastes just like a real burger. The flavor, the texture, the juiciness, everything's spot on. The texture, the juiciness, everything's spot on. It's hard to believe it was grown in a lab. But what about the cost? This is where things get a bit tricky. Right now, lab-grown burgers are pricey. We're talking hundreds of dollars per patty, which is not exactly affordable for the average consumer. However, as technology advances and the process becomes more efficient, prices are expected to drop significantly. It's only a matter of time. Imagine buying a lab-grown burger for the same price as a Big Mac. That could be a reality sooner than we think. It's not that far off. The future of affordable, sustainable meat is within our grasp. And here's the kicker. Lab-grown meat is a game-changer for the environment. It's not just about taste and cost. It uses 90% less water, 99% less land, and produces up to 96% fewer greenhouse gases than traditional beef production. That's a massive reduction in our environmental footprint. Imagine feeding 10 billion people without devastating the planet. Lab-grown meat could make that possible. So, would you give the burger of tomorrow a try? It's a small step for your taste buds, but a giant leap for sustainability. Smash that subscribe button for more culinary innovations, and let me know in the comments what you think about lab-grown meat. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious. The future of food is bright, and it's just getting started.